The Cfmoto Master of Speed concept was one of the craziest bikes at EICMA in Milan this year. However, the engine below all the ornate bodywork is an all-new V4. In principle, the perfect engine configuration for many reasons, including packing, mass centralization, and sounding bloody gorgeous. Will gladly welcome a new V4. And Cfmoto's V.04 will compete with the big dogs of the V4 world, like as the Ducati Panigale V4's Desmosedici Stradale lump, producing 206 brake horsepower at 14,500 revolutions per minute, 1,000 revolutions per minute more than the Italian engine, and 84 pound-feet of torque at 12,500 revolutions per minute. Like the Ducati engine, it has a 90-degree bank angle, as opposed to Aprilia's 65-degree V4, and a counter-rotating crankshaft. The latter aims to reduce the gyroscopic effect of the spinning crank, making the bike more ready to turn and less prone to raising its front wheel. The entire unit weighs 61.5 kilograms, barely 7 kilograms more than the new, and far less powerful, 54.5 kilograms, Ducati Panigale V2 engine. The V4 is expected to enter production in early 2023, possibly with a modified version of the Master of Speed idea. It's difficult to picture those massive fairing winglets, let alone the enclosed wheels going into production. It definitely brings attention to the project, but a brand new V4 engine is enough to capture our curiosity. There is no press release about Cfmoto, and information is limited. The company's social media channels describe the bike as a sculptural celebration of velocity and dynamism, a work that embodies the fusion of power and ambition. But we only have the specifications printed on the engine's display case at EICMA. This work is an artistic vision of the human impulse to push beyond limits, a symbol of strength and courage, rather than simply a portrayal of a vehicle. Right,